Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to be discussing about uh, the current state of the market, live analysis. Okay, so as you see here on Ethereum, I think I took short trade there yesterday. Yeah, I shorted there. Yeah, Ethereum shorted. I was trading. Yeah, see, um, this yesterday I traded 31st of June. And this was on 31st, 28. Okay. So let's, by the way, yeah, it's like um, in trading, like what you need to understand is the market is not um, it's gonna be still. Okay, it's like it is always preparing for something. All right, and that's what we need to um, uh, I- identify. To take trade. So, for instance, what do I mean by that is, um, check this out. All right, like the market was already downtrending, right? As soon as we saw this candle, right, on the resistance, you see, uh, this was the resistance channel, right? As soon as the market reached there, boom, huge selling occurred, right? So that's what we need to identify and get on the trade. Right? That's what like this trade shows actually, this trade history. Because like as soon as I was getting profit and resistance was hitting, I was actually following uh, the system and um, I didn't had any loss, right? Um, yeah. So even the profit is less, we need to take profit because resistance has got hit and the market is already downtrending. So there's like more possibility that it's gonna go short. Because the other two trades that I took profit on, it was long trade. Yeah. So let me let's start um, with the daily time frame and let's actually start with perhaps um, gold. Okay. So this is gold on 15 minutes, right? I'm gonna come here and analyze the gold in all of the time frame. Okay. Gold. All right. Gold is going crazy. So what's happening here is you can see, you know, this is the resistance midpoint as well. Here it was resistance, right? 12 hour it was also resistance and what that was? Previous year high. That was previous year high. Um, very strong point. Okay. We saw the market was already downtrending, right? And then you see the resistance got hit there as well. Okay, and what that was, I think this is one third. Yeah, and it was new structure formation on 4 hour accumulation. So the next move is got to be secondary test, and that's what this propelled this move. You can see coming down here, right? Yeah. So this could very well be a pullback. All right. Um, we need to like still wait for the market to break the resistance, this trend line resistance, which is hard to break, and once those are get broken, we see really good movement upside, or downside for that matter. Okay. For instance, see, trend line got broken with high volume, market went to the next trend line, right? It broke above that. Market was trying to go to the next trend line, but it hit this trend line on the downside, and that was this ascending. Okay. There's like a lot of confluence that you can also add it there. Okay. Um, yeah. And the new month, new week, all that started. And if you see, like, month actually closed below, right? Uh, what what I mean to say is, suppose if I put monthly chart here, um, it was Ethereum or gold actually. Gold, where are you? There. So see, monthly actually closed below, right? Market was going so much up. Monthly candle biggest selling, you know, and ever since gold is going down, right? If I put daily time frame there, we'll compare it here. Okay, see support got hit. This is still new structure formation. This, so this could very well be a support around here. Okay, um, yeah, which we can see already. All right, let's uh, let's actually come to weekly as well. Weekly, it's hmm. So this pullback is expected, and as you can see, the volume is coming high volume. So if it stops, takes support there, makes high lows, all the pullbacks are long trade. And how we actually um, categorize trade is, um, we see this like very big volume coming on, like you know half angle, good support, right? Spring kind of formation there. You see, um, because it dipped below the low of that here, and then with very strong volume, it went to the upside, right? But this resistance is there. It needs to break that resistance, and we'll see a lot of volume when this resistance gets broken. Um, yeah. So Yeah, that's for gold. Right now, if you want to take trade on gold, then like how I would suggest is see this is on lower time frame, right? There was one trade there that happened. See with low volume. See this upwave volume is lower than that one. So that means there is a divergence there, right? And as soon as this resistance got hit, boom. You see? Yeah. And 30 minutes was already on downward. So this was that point there. You see? Very strong resistance, right? And then like divergence happened and this was breaking down action already. Okay. Here as well. Oh no, it's not breaking down, it's just like going below the range. You can look at the 15 minutes time frame. It's trending down, right? Yeah. So that's why we had to take short trade. Here, looking at 5 minute chart, what we notice is now it's forming a backing up action. That's why we saw that like surge in buying. And you can see on the ascending channel it reached this one as well. So yeah, buying is occurring there for sure. Conservative trade would be to wait for the resistance to get broken, then take a trade. And like and also we can take non-conservative trade because um all these trend lines are getting hit positively. What I'll do, I'll just take a trade there on gold um, with this. So profit target will be from there. Okay, put my stop loss there. Take profit will be on the next channel there. Okay. So that was gold, my friend. Now let's analyze different. Hmm. Bitcoin. It's selling fast, man. Bitcoin is selling fast. $12 4 hour resistance, downward resist support, becoming resistance. This trend line got broken. It's very huge event when this gets broken. All right, that's what we're seeing here. There's 38 minutes left on 4 hour candle to close. It can still go down. Yeah, but it's going very down, like down very fast. See, it's actually going on like, yeah, 8 by 1 angle, man. It's crazy. Strong selling. 30 minutes. First profit target reached. Second profit target reached. This one all second target was reached. Yeah. It's gonna come around here 70. Yeah, it's 38 minutes left. So like it's almost over. 4 hour candle. We should have taken trade earlier, I suppose. US oil. Wow. US oil is going crazy, yo. Yeah. Major support got reached. See, midpoint, midpoint. Lines are getting mid there, right? Very strong button. This is going down, man. I'm gonna sell. Put my stop loss there. Mm, US oil. Low time frame. We saw trade there. Did beautiful trade, man. Really beautiful trade. See, secondary test was there. Uh, reached previous week open. So it's basically got to that point. We're selling from yeah, I'll sell short from this. Okay. Need to sell 1,000 minutes. Yeah. Midpoint. Mm. Market was already downtrending from this point. And before that as well. You see. downtrending, uptrending. Let's do some forward testing here. New quarterly started there. Oh, new year. Awesome. We'll watch how the market works, okay? And I'm gonna do commentary as the market goes, okay? So here we go. So right now, see, new quarterly month started, quarterly, and you see market was already on the midline. It's buying, it's going on the ascending trend line. It's good on RSI. This was support on midpoint, you see there. Okay, so RSI was taking good support there. Okay, like we need to, guys, see, we need to first look at the RSI and then look at the price. What? See, resistance got hit, RSI, price had to go down, and it did. No matter how strong volume it came before that, right? Resistance has been established. You can see market is trying to break above this. If it's gonna go up and see that's what exactly happened. All right, it's going on this ascending trend now. Selling. Made me on that. Then same time. Resistance. Resistance got hit. See, all these are different speed. When the market hits that speed level, it has to react with that force. Yeah, resistance came down. And just observe what RSI is doing. Okay. First, look at the RSI. The RSI, when this trend line gets break, on the RSI, you should take that trade. Yeah. If it's not, then that, move is not correct. Here, this is going to be happening, I suppose. Yeah. Now you can take trade. Long trade there. Yeah. Put your stop loss below. Came down, then it goes up. So see support. Yeah. It should have been like put candle like that. Then boom, goes up. Big resistance got hit here as well. Breaking down action. Came down. Secondary test. Again taking support, resistance. So there's like a lot of fight happening. You see this big resistance there. Yeah, need to work on that. There we go. Boom. See, as soon as it breaks this resistance, you see this big movement, right? Support. Okay. Resistance got hit, market had to come down, back, price, and then it went up. Again, pull back, then resistance, divergence, market came down. Big sellings, boom. Market has to come down. You know, broke the support, like yeah, it's actually stopping at 25% over there. We'll see if one of these trend line like that, it short there. Like now it gives the support, just gonna go. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave it at that. Let's see the trades that we took. This is on $500 profit on USOIL. Right. Let's see um, the others. See you. $3 profit. Bitcoin minus 675. Okay. So I'll let the trade run. Okay. And we'll see how it goes. Okay. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.